We've literally pumped out so much content. It's pretty insane how much content we've put out all about AI. Okay, ooh. I think that's what I want. Good enough. Perfect. The Project Dad. I like that name. What's up? Try a different format before I share my screen. At least the people here can see my screen a lot better. And let me sign into one more platform. That way I can live stream to many platforms at the same time. Anyways, when we talk about AI, have you guys been playing with ChatGPT 5 yet? What are you guys' thoughts on it? Nice. What are you guys' thoughts on ChatGPT 5? It's wild. I feel like this could be closer. Sorry for you guys. That should sound a lot better. I think so. Playing with different settings. So, for the people on YouTube world, you guys can see my desktop pretty much. Oops. Oh, right now I'm just trying to get Streamlabs set up. I wonder if we should go into VO3. I think we have some VO3 credits we could burn too. We also have some GenSpark stuff we have to go through. Let's complete the GenSpark for the class and then we'll go from there. I think that's going to be the best thing. I'm going to not worry about this. Because I want to get some YouTube videos out. Nice. Come all the way over here. Nice. Don't worry, you're going to be looking at my computer anyways. Okay, cool. So, nice. I think that's better. Okay, hold on. There we go. For everyone on both platforms, that should do a lot better. Actually. I think that's pretty good. What are these? I don't know what those are. I'm just going to put them in my downloads folder for now. So I was in the middle. I was in the middle of recording a GenSpark course because these are doing really well on YouTube. So I want to create another one just to try and get more SEO traffic, more or less, basically. And where did I last leave off? Oh, yes. think I left off here. I only have to record an ending to this. This is really all I have to do right now, more or less. And then I could get another GenSpark course out today, which would be very good for me. So a little behind the scenes, but if you guys have AI questions, feel free to ask them. Highly recommend. Check out GenSpark. It is very, very powerful for what you could do with it. Let's see. Wait, what is going on in here? I think this is where we stepped it off, yeah. And all of this I don't need. Yeah. Okay. Well, actually, I'll do that after. Let's get you guys updated with AI. So, for the next hour, give me an hour. Sorry, horrible warm up, but give me the next hour. And I am going to show you some really cool things that you could do with AI. So, let's get you guys talking about AI. By the way, there's some very interesting things right here. Okay. Oops. What are some ways that you could clone yourself? What if we want to actually clone ourselves so that we can either create content without having to get on camera? Wouldn't that be nice? So I think that's what I'm going to do for this first demo. Show you guys how to actually create content without having to get on camera. Put a number 1 in the chat if you guys find that interesting. And we're going to go through the whole workflow too. I think you even have a really good avatar I can use for this one. Nice. Okay. So the first thing we want to do is start with getting a script. So I'm going to go to ChatGPT. And I'm going to say create a actually I'm going to go to the Hook Custom GPT. This is something in the community that we have where it's a custom GPT for writing your short form content, basically. It writes it all for you, which is actually really dope. So I think that's probably better. So let's see. Oh, I got to use the meeting note summarizer right now too. Let me show you guys something really cool right now. Side tangent, but this is a really good thing. So let me find. So when I do my one-on-one coaching sessions, I have to send the client a summary of the meeting at the very end. And so it takes a long time. It takes like an hour to turn like our whole transcript into basically a whole step-by-step like 30-day guide for clients, for example. So as long as you're using an AI note-taking tool, like say for example Fathom, right here. So I'm using Fathom for my AI note-taking tool. It's great because it records the video, records the transcript, records a whole summary, and etc. And you get you could rock it pretty far on the free plan, which is pretty nice. So you could take that meeting and that transcript, which I'm going to copy transcript. So you can see right here, there's just a whole button right here. It's so easy. Just click a button to say copy transcript. That way you get the entire transcript from that video, pop it into this custom GPT. So this custom GPT has the whole transcript. Done. Like, copy, paste, done. It takes less than a minute to do this, but for a task that used to take me an hour to do, now with the custom GPT, oh my gosh, it saves me an hour every single time. And now it writes the perfect email. So this is an email to a client that I'm going to send to them. Basically, it goes over the action plan, pretty much goes over all the details, the tools, the resources, next steps, call to action, signature, what they should be doing week 1, week 2, week 3. So this is a whole action plan, plus it has the details of the link and for them to even so that's why I really like this, is because in one click it gives me this entire thing. So I'm like, oh, nice, done. Oops. We'll copy this, and then I'm just gonna go to my email, which is another window I'm not gonna show right now, but I'm just gonna paste that right now, and then I'll send that off. So that's super nice. I could hook this up to like Zapier or MZP basically, and I could have it send the email off too, which would be super nice, but that saves me a ton of time. So custom GPT for meeting summarizers, like, little hack right there. Hey Dennis, good to see you. We got to give our AI agents a task today. We got to burn an AI agent credit today. It's like, what task are we going to give it? Anyways, so that's one example. But we're going to go through and we're going to make Clone John using, actually, we're going to go, we could go one of two ways in this. Let's go off into a whole different direction. There's another AI tool I want to explore, and let's see if they have a free plan. Lindy AI. Have you guys ever tried Lindy AI? Speaking of these AI agents, Lindy AI looks very interesting. Can we get a free plan? Sure. I'm going to sign up with my email, so one moment. For what you're like, what does Lindy do? You create. Dennis says no. No as in you haven't tried it, or no as in not worth it? That's a good question. Suspense. Yeah, they popped up on my feed for at least trying to do some automation. Oh, haven't tried it yet. Okay, cool. Cool. Because from what I see, I think it has like an AI agent process behind the scenes. That's what I think it does. So let's sign up and let's try a new tool together. So try for free. Oh wait, I gotta sign up using an email. Hold on. I'm signing up. I'm just creating an account off screen right now. So let's see. We're in, I think. Tell us more about you. What's your role? I am engineer. What's your main use case? Chatbot, AI assistance. How does this platform compare different? I think it's much different than Zapier. Again, we're going to try this together for the first time. But from what I foresee, where do we look? How interesting now that we live in a time where they're like, hey, how did you find out about us? And like, yeah, you could have been referred to by ChatGPT. That is now a thing. So I'm going to leave it at that. That's going to be interesting. With my own, I just want to automate stuff. Skip the building, book a call, receive no thanks. Now, here's where $49 for 500 credits. Or 500 tasks. That I'm curious about. I don't know how. And then only $49 if I want 500 tasks automated. But hey, for $49, if it automates what I think it automates, then I will. I think that's worth it. So right now, hold on, I'm entering my card information on another screen. So one moment. If this AI automation thing works, these guys basically do what AI agent does in ChatGPT plus a lot plus Zapier or plus a chatbot to build. That's why I think this is going to be really cool. I'm basically gonna, if this works out, and we're gonna test it. Hold on to make sure. You may be able to build an army of AI agents using Lindy AI. I'm almost done registering on another screen, so hold on. They're asking me for my card. The ChatGPT optimization, rather, AI platform optimization will cook old school. Oh yeah, old school SEO is oof. It's now AEO. I mean, I've heard it AEO. There's so many different names for it, but that's gonna be a thing. That's gonna how. Okay, I'm in. I think I'm in. I hacked the matrix. I'm inside. Our goal is to see if we could build an AI agent together. I think I want, after seeing ChatGPT's AI agent, I want more agents in my life. Give me more agents in my life because I think I can have an army. If I have to go open source, so be it. So we're going to explore, and we're all exploring together, which is super nice. So we are going. Now, they do have a lot of examples over here. Meeting note taker, capture meeting notes, sends follow ups and answer questions, customers' feedback, brand monitor. Do I want to book a call? Oh, wait. Or join a boot camp. Join a 1 week boot camp and become an AI agent expert. Ooh, I like that. Just that as an offer sounds nice. Whether you're just starting out with the automation, will teach you everything AI fundamentals. The Lindy platform, the most powerful AI agents, incredibly, that are used in production today. By the end, you'll have built 2 to 3 essential agents and your own custom agent with the help of our experts. TBD, 3-day format, time commitment, 6 hours live, totally free, spots are free. Yeah, I'm like down. Hold on. Let me fill this out because I'm kind of curious. Are you available August 18th to the 20th? Sure. AI educator workshop there. Submit. Sorry, I'm just filling out their form for their AI bootcamp. Cool. Hopefully they send me details. I signed up for their AI bootcamp that they have. This is for Lindy to build AI agents. We'll learn something together. Anyways, but I like that. 1 week bootcamp to become an AI agent expert. Anyways, negotiator. Okay, lead generator. Find leads. Enrich leads. Chat with your message. Meeting coach. Do something with meetings, HR. Do something with product. Do something with marketing. Do something. Show me all your templates. Okay, so I have a template library. Slack support Slack. It's really all over the place. Let's see. Oh, LinkedIn web scraper. Oh wow. Hold on. New agent. This AI agent goes to my LinkedIn and generates a post about AI education and training and upskill and why it's important, and will help you make more money and work less through automation, and to learn, and a call to action to learn AI at also generates an image. Okay. Looks like you can only use it on desktop. The phone doesn't allow me. Yeah, most of these tools, most of these tools you're gonna get through the browser or the desktop. A lot of them aren't gonna have like a mobile version. Let's see what you're doing. Yes. Okay, so it wrote the post. Now it's doing something called computer mode. This, I think, is what's interesting. It's loading a computer. Loading a browser. I gave it the task to post a piece of content on LinkedIn. Make it up and post it on my behalf. I was able to do that with AI agents. It worked, and I was very impressed. Now I want to see if Lindy can do it. Come on, what you doing, Lindy? AI is starting a virtual. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa! Stuff's happening. Stuff is happening. Things are flickering. Ooh. Click anywhere to take control. Okay. So now it went to LinkedIn. I think it needs help, so I'm gonna come in, and I'm gonna go sign in with email. Okay, so I have stuff to sign in. I do this also with ChatGPT agents, so I'm used to that. So give me one moment while I log into LinkedIn. I'm just logging into LinkedIn for the... Oh, you can copy paste. So you can copy paste your password in. I gotta verify the email. Hold on. It's asking me to verify my email, so bear with me. Okay. And for everyone that's watching, we're building an AI agent right now. And we gave it a simple task. Simple task. To go and post a piece of content. Okay, I'm done. Okay, so it's in. So now, so remember, this is my AI agent. Hold on, making sure I can see, everyone can see. So my AI agent, I'm just trying to say AI agent 10 times so the algorithm sends me people interested. For everyone interested, put AI agent in the chat right now. Please do that right now. It will help the algorithm, really, so that the algorithm will bring more people. We got a really nice audience. So what it's doing, so now it's logged in, and now I could give it control. Okay, I can see that the task was interrupted. Okay, so right here there's a little button, take control. So, and then, oh, it's asking me what I had to log in with my username and password. Cool. And now, okay, so now check it out. So now it's thinking. See, this is where I think Lindy is a little better than ChatGPT AI agents because you can guide it a lot better. Plus, you can make it repeatable. I'm sure. Oh! It's doing things. Is my AI agent doing things? Remember, I'm not posting this content. I created an AI agent that's posting content on LinkedIn on my behalf right now. Do you know the AI automation and how hard that would be in Make.com? Do you know how hard Make.com is? So right now, it's doing something. Click on start the post. Oh! It's doing something. It's doing something. See if I could make the screen a little shorter so that we can kind of see like what's going on. I should change the name. AI agents. There we go. I should have changed the name of the event. So we're kind of waiting for the AI agent to. It's thinking right now. It went through. It started the post. It clicked on the text. Right now, it's typing the AI education LinkedIn post. So this is the step that it's on right now. I didn't give it all these steps to do. It's trying to figure this out on its own. The only thing I helped it with was like logging in for it. I don't. I like ChatGPT. We're just testing out Lindy for the first time. I haven't used Lindy. I saw a YouTube video with the owner, and I thought it was pretty nifty. So I was like, "Oh, interesting. Okay, let me see. Let me see if I can play with Lindy and see what can we get. What can we get out of it? You can copy paste passwords. That was possible. I did test that. That's always interesting. And then, by the way, for everyone in the community, Saturday's AI class where we actually talked about it, for example, I think it's this one right here. It's live. So if you're inside the AI community, Saturday's event where we talked about ChatGPT agents and we broke down all the secret sauce about it, that's now inside the community. So go forth, use that. So, and then I'll go here. AI agents Saturdays class. Here is the link to watch. At Dennis. Nope. Showed. Okay. Probably should have typed that a little better, but for everyone in the community, Saturday's class. Kind of like a robot. I'll just put him in there. Ooh. It makes no sense, but it doesn't matter. Okay. I just want to post something. Okay, so that's going. Hey, Lindy. How you doing? Here's ChatGPT. So, I think it's stuck. I could be wrong, but I think it's stuck. Should I take control? You're in control. Nope, you're done now. Nothing. Take the AI education LinkedIn post. Trying to figure out what it's trying to do. I'm using the newsletter writer to. I'm going to write a newsletter. No, nice. I hate that you can't pause live streams. Eric the Vipreneur. That's a dope name. Did ChatGPT get stuck Saturday? Not necessarily. We didn't have not any bugs per se. Mine did because I was kind of curious. Okay, let's see. We're gonna try this. We're gonna actually go to. We're gonna go to AI agents. But Jesus, at $200, like, hold up. Because if this works, I think this is cheaper than ChatGPT AI agents if it's prompted right. Right now, it's bugging, and I'm like, yo, that was great, but how many credits have I burned? And then I mean, it is awfully taking a long time. I'm gonna abandon it. Probably go do another automation. That shouldn't be too hard. Like, come on, just some tag. I'm not even asking you to post like on X, for example. Like, what's 299? Is Lindy 299? Hey, I was looking for something. Haven't found the right AI tool for, but wondering if you could help. Yeah, Chucky. Nice to meet you, Chucky. Put your AI question in the chat right now. It'll definitely be faster than my AI agent here. I'm going to abandon this task. I feel like we were close, though. Try again. I'm going to give it one more try. I'm going to give it the benefit of the doubt. That's not perfect. There's another one. There's Relevance AI. I wonder. Chucky says, great, thank you. Yeah, Chucky, ask your AI questions. I wonder how this compares to Relevance, basically. Like, how much does this? Right, can it do browser? That's my kind of thing. I just really want it. 2.7 credits for one newsletter. Interesting. Well, I don't like this. I'm gonna bail, and I'm gonna go to ChatGPT, and we're going to. Oh wait! Oh, it's doing the thing. It's doing the thing. It's doing the thing. Okay, cool. Okay, see, give it hopes. So right now it's writing the post. Okay, so something had a little hiccup, but that's okay. It's now writing a post. So this is my AI agent posting content on LinkedIn without me having to log in and do it, or even think of what to write. I don't even know what the topic is. It's something about AI. I hope it adds an image. Oh, so it's now clicking on the photo media button. So right now we're watching an AI agent work. It's thinking right now. Clicking on the photo button, click add. Oh, it's trying to like click on it. That's not a photo. It doesn't know. Scroll down. So I have to pause it. I have to intervene. And then I have to. Oh, maybe it. No, that was me. Okay, there we go. And resume. Add a photo. Add a photo. So right now, basically I just said add a photo that's relevant. How can I get AI to do that, or what agent can I get to do that? So I get something similar. Well, if you want something similar, this is Lindy. Everyone could sign up for Lindy right now. I may have a Lindy affiliate link. Oh, look, I have 5,000 credits. So far for me to post one piece of content, that's how much we burned, I think, so far. We'll see how far we get. Because I could also schedule this. I'm pretty sure I could schedule this to. Oh, look, it's trying to find an image right now. Done. Nothing. Okay, so it's navigating. So it has. I said this is what I find interesting. It's a whole environment. This is what I think is some untapped potential right here. You don't get access to just a browser. I think you get access to a Linux environment plus a browser. So I'm pretty sure you could download files, save them to a folder. Right now, it needs to create a photo. Now, I could be much more explicit and log in. Like, I could give it my Midjourney login, and like, I'm sure there's ways I could streamline this even better. You can do a review and get 2,000 free credits. Ooh, that's pretty good. I like that. Not sure if you got the message, but please confirm you got it. And how do I sign up for that and try it? So I'm sorry, for Chucky, just go to Lindy AI. This is. Wait, do I have an affiliate link? Let me see if they gave me an affiliate link. That would be cool. Ooh, invite members. No, wait, that's not it. Wrong one. Refer and earn. Okay. Get $50, give $50. When you refer a friend, your friend will get $50 of free Lindy credits, and you get 50 crash when they upgrade. All right. And for everyone, get ready to take a screenshot. I'm gonna give you guys free credits. Ready? Get ready to take a screenshot. I'm gonna give you guys credits so you can sign up to Lindy and get some credits. Like, you get $50 of free credits. Who doesn't want $50 of free credits for Lindy? So you can run that AI automation agent. There it is. Take a screenshot. 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gone. So, free credits. Something. Every affiliate program I sign up for, I gotta like save it. By the way, we can vibe code something if we want to get a little fancy here. This is for. Was it Lindy? And then their offer is. I really want you guys to build an AI agent today. Like, I want to challenge you. Build an agent today. We'll see. And we're actually going to probably switch over to ChatGPT in a moment right now. So bear with me. I'm saving. I got to put all these on the website. Shoot. We could actually vibe code that a little later. But I digress. I'll leave it open right here for now. So back to Lindy. I'll leave that over here. Oh, hey, what you doing? So it's struggling to figure out where it could get images. So that is something where I'm like, nah. I might intervene just to keep it simple. Oh, give me control. Give me control. AI agent, give me control. We're going to go to ChatGPT. Okay. While this is fussing with me right now, let's go to ChatGPT. I'm going to give the same exact prompt. Okay, so that was pretty much the difference. As you can tell, Lindy is a little frustrating. So it's not perfect. I see potential. But let's compare that to ChatGPT AI agents right now, where we're going to build the same exact agent. I want you to basically, here's the goal. I want you to go to my LinkedIn and create one post that's relevant to my niche. So real simple. I'm even copy pasting the prompt. I'm just saying this AI agent goes to my LinkedIn and generates a post about AI education and training and skill and why it's important, and it will help make you more money and work less through automation and learn with a call to action to learn AI at blah blah blah. Also generates an image. Cool. I'm gonna click the plus symbol. I'm gonna choose agent mode. I have 31 tasks left, or credits left, or operations left. So there, sources, do I want to give it access to anything? Not really. I think it should be fine there. I definitely want this in memory. And go for it. Okay, so now we are comparing the same AI agent process from Lindy, which crashed and is taking multiple times and is struggling to do the photo. I have actually stopped it, hopefully. Make sure. No, it is still continuing. Hey, can you just no more? How do we? Okay, it's gone rogue. It won't let me. Uh-oh. This is not good. Stop. Let's refresh. See if that does anything. I just don't want to leave it like running and have it just go rogue. It's like, just stop. You failed your task, Lindy. Oh, like I can't even look gray button. All right, come back to Lindy. Either way, ChatGPT is now on its way to figure out how to post on LinkedIn. You know, I feel like I have another task I can give it. Hold on. Okay, while it's doing that, I have another one. I actually have a real world task to actually give it. I actually have a real world task. I want you to search Peerspace and other relevant sites to find a vendor or a conference vendor for 75 seats plus 6 for team in San Diego near hotel. Okay, hold on. Let me grab my notes. This is an actual real world situation. I have to actually go through Peerspace and find a location for our in-person AI conference that's happening in San Diego September, I think it's September 19th. So mark that on your calendar. Tickets are going to come out early. We will have an affiliate program. It's the first time I'm announcing it. Congratulations. You guys are the first ones to hear about it. So chat is 20 or 200. ChatGPT is 20. They have two plans. $20 plan, which gets you like 40 AI agent tasks, and then the $200 a month, which is the 400 operations. Don't quote me on that. I'm not too sure. Okay, hold on. Let me man. Event. Yes. Go Notion, both. Yeah, so ChatGPT has both. Okay, it's gotta be near here from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. with VIP after. For a budget of $800. I think that's it. Talc. Oh shoot. I didn't agent mode, so stop. New chat. There we go. Forgot to put AI agent mode. Sources, we'll use the web and go. Okay, so this is actually a real world situation. We're having the AI event September 19th. We just started today, like making it official, more or less. And so it's going to be in San Diego. And one of my tasks that I have to do is I have to search the web. And my budget is $800 for just the space itself. So we're seeing here. So right now, so I gave it the dates, I gave it the time, I gave it one of many places it could search, like Peerspace, or if it finds other places, maybe as well too. How do you get ChatGPT Plus for free? You can't. It's impossible. If you know a way, DM me. We'll talk. How do you get ChatGPT Plus agents for free is my thing. So this, theoretically, what it's doing right here is basically going to, hold on, I gotta like kill the audio for you guys. So right now it's searching. Can I intervene? How can I verify you're human? I think this is where it's having a roadblock. It's like, are you human? It's like, yes, maybe. Debating if I should take over. We'll see. You ran out of Lindy credits. Dang. Yeah, that's one of the big things. It's like, what are other like Perplexity? What are some other ones? Did you say it's not possible to get AI agents for free and not get ChatGPT itself? Well, they have their free plan, and they do have the open source, the ChatGPT. There is technically that, but to like get off their plan, more or less, no. Claude 3, but I want it like where it navigates the browser kind of thing. So right now, oh, hey, what you got here? Okay, so it's searching around, searching websites. Tag venue? What is tag venue? What is tag venue? For everyone that's watching, this is my AI agent doing research to find me a venue on a specific date in my budget completely autonomous. Don't they all of them like? What if I stick GenSpark on this too? Like, what if I give GenSpark this? Now I'm gonna battle ChatGPT agents versus GenSpark. Research me. That's a new feature. Let's see here. Reddit. So now I gave the same task to GenSpark. I'm curious to see which one works. And I'll even give it to ChatGPT Deep Research. I know they have the Deep Research mode right here. Okay. So we have Deep Research. I did give it the... Oh, I didn't give it the date of events. Oops. No, I did. No, I didn't. Dang it. Hey. Did I not? Oops. Okay, stop. Shoot. It would help if I gave it a date. Duh. Okay, we need AV equipment. Yes, need equipment. We'll hire catering and separate space. Do you need separate space? We can use the same space for VIP. Just to keep it simple. I have an issue with my chat not following the commands when creating images. Any advice? Probably better AI tool, like, or image tool. You should probably definitely Midjourney or Ideogram. Also depends on the prompt. You have to be really specific on the prompting. But from that, that's where I would basically is like just try an actual ChatGPT does images, but it's not like it's not like it's not like a Midjourney where it just all it does is do image generation type of thing. Okay, so this is starting research. GenSpark is doing research. Perplexity, we don't need you. Then we have ChatGPT AI agents. So now we have a game. Which is going to be the first one to find me the venue on the date with the right time that's under $800? I'm very curious to see. Creating a journal with the image, does that matter? Creating a journal with that image. You can... if you can make like a Photoshop version for Cosmic Healing, like the way you envision, go get some like images on like just Google and then use Canva and like very crudely like copy paste and try and make it look like it with the instruction. Upload that as a reference image and I think it will generate a much more closer image to what you're looking for. Sometimes it needs direction. Also, these tools, especially for images, you need to be using JSON. Like a lot of what we do is we'll use JSON for images or video generation, basically. By the way, Lindy has gone full rogue. I may just close my Lindy account. I'm gonna close my Lindy account. I hope I can. It's kind of got me trapped. I can't even. Oh, Lindy AI. I don't know. I'm trying to. Lindy's kind of crashed, basically. So now I need to. I'm just gonna cancel the account. Settings, delete account, account email. Okay, I deleted Lindy. So understood. I'll draft. Okay, so this one. Hey, no, post on my LinkedIn. You're not closing after I just created one, are you? What do you mean closing? I don't know what you mean. Well, Lindy's a little frustrating to use. Because again, let's see if maybe it may get better, but ChatGPT AI agent seems good, but then again, let's see if GenSpark. I mean, granted, GenSpark can't post on my behalf, which is okay. But I am more curious if they can solve this problem here. I may or may not. I'll keep it open. But try it, play with it. See what you can automate with it. I need to play with it more. I just need to like test it out on different use cases. But now, I know, that's how fast tools go. Tool didn't even last 24 hours. So, man, it's... Oh, regenerate. GenSpark crashed. San Diego website. I feel like I should give it a little more direction. Search only Peerspace. I'm going to intervene. Yeah, only fine. It's like, I want you to only find sources from Peerspace. So we're just kind of seeing it. Watch it kind of go. GenSpark. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. You can hold it at the public library and it's completely for free. The Regis downtown Emerald Plaza. Multiple rooms. Uh-oh, what do people say about this? That's a no. What about Monaco working space? 75 people max. Okay. Ooh. So then... $450. I want to do their conference rooms. Sorry if this is getting a little off tag. I'm just kind of now saying, like, what is down here as far as... 5 to 12 people for their rooms. Oh, wow. Okay, so... Oh, I found it on Liquid Space. Yo, I think ChatGPT Deep Research won. Yeah. Liquid Space. Oh, geez, $1,000 for a half day, $2,000 for a day. Wait, that's not right. Although, wow, that's actually really cool. But their pricing is a little off. Interesting. Let's try this one. Per day. Found you on event. What is this one? Doesn't have to be in walkable. Ooh, walkable distance. That's actually what you think about that. Downtown work, 75 people. 1,200 a meeting. Man, there's just so many options. Can you... What is this? Can you search this to see what we have? This one's Peerspace. So it actually did go to Peerspace. Oh, what is this? A... Have a good day, Chucky. San Diego. Shoot, where is that hotel? Sorry, we need to... Oh, wait. Get this address. Speaking. Hey, hey, Peerspace works. Okay, so side tangent, because there's really not that many people on Mondays or slow days. So price. So if we do 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so 10 hours. So when September 19th from 9 a.m. to 7 a.m. We're gonna have to be there an hour early. Oh, and we're not doing 3. So to 3 p.m. Fly. And then attendees is the exact count is going to be 75. And the price max does that 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3. So it's 7 hours. 7 hours, 800 divided by 7 hours. That means roughly a budget of $114 an hour. Hopefully I did that right. 100. We may. Jeez, get it out of like a resort. Where is. I'm just now curious, like, where is this on the venue map? So it's like right here. What's the 350 one? That's 350 an hour. Wow. We can't. Maybe we can. Yo, interesting. What? This seats 150 people, but I don't think it's what we need. Interesting though. Let's clear that budget. What do we have around? That's like definitely not within our budget. Ooh, this one's $100 an hour. Yeah, it looks like crap. Nope. It's way out of the budget. Sorry, I know this is boring. I'm just kind of seeing like what are our options. Peerspace just may not be the place. But ChatGPT, large group, 2,000 to 4,000, 3,000 that to make automations like AI agents. Yeah, like we were right now we were testing pretty much ChatGPT. Oh, this one. Okay, so while we've been talking, um, I know we went on a very interesting side quest. Uh, the AI agent for all I did was tell it to just post on my LinkedIn. So let's check my LinkedIn. Did it post on my LinkedIn? Yes, it did. So this post, AI isn't just for programmers. Learning AI can help you do tasks faster. Blah 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 blah. Check out our simple guide. Start today. Blah 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 blah. Cool. Edit. Posted. Well, yeah, everything's ChatGPT 5 now. AI agents. This was nice. Do you think GenSpark is worth it or making an app similar to it? Do I think, Chelsea, do I think GenSpark is worth it? Yeah. GenSpark's so worth it. So much. I'll give you like 1,000 free credits. She's like, I love it. Stop. I'm sorry. I was like, Chelsea, whatever you want to do, like GenSpark. No, of course, GenSpark's not going to do everything, but like, um, it's pretty comprehensive for what we wanted to do. So at least for this, I think the winning for this went to ChatGPT. Ooh, what kind is it? So a little over budget. It's 155, so it's not that bad. Probably a little under budget. Like an agent as well as similar feature, because like it depends like what you define as agent, or what you want automated by an agent. Like this process right here, which is interesting. This of trying to find a location in my budget, on this date, and navigate websites and give me a table of like what are best conference spaces to hold that, for example. So far, I used to use it for reports as all I haven't dived deep. Oh yeah, there's a ton, Chelsea. Like it goes really deep. We have a whole like 1 hour masterclass of GenSpark in the community, and it's a beast of a tool. Actually, I was just creating another piece of content around it. Um, I have entirely too many AI tools. You're not alone. You're not alone. I mean, I can show you our list of like the tools that we cover, and it's quite extensive. So you're not alone. Just come join. I mean, I think the AI business community is more like for business owners that have too many. Like you have to have a bunch of tools in order to join. I'm struggling. Oh, join the community. Oh shoot, Chelsea. Like Chelsea, let me give you 50% off. Let's stop the struggle. Join the community. Meet other members that are all leveraging AI. You get all the secrets, all the courses. By the way, I do need to launch a course only option. That's something. But let me give you 50% off discount because hanging out on the live stream, learning AI agents with me, asking questions, wanting to automate, simplify your tech stack. And then I'm also going to give you a screenshot of my best AI tools. That way you could kind of see like what's on there, like what do you need, what don't you need per se. I mean, there's much more to it, of course, but let's unlock a secret hidden menu. If I click this button, watch secret hidden menu, boop, there's the discount menu. You can only, boop, there it is. Duh, duh, duh. So that button is now, if you go, I have to go through Safari. So when you click on here, I just wanted to like level you up. Like just come in and take our GenSpark course plus meet other like we have a whole GenSpark like fan club. So much so I think most like 5 of us are meeting with the co-CEO or something like that this week. It's actually kind of like so much so this is actually kind of funny. So this is the community right here. If you love GenSpark, like, because we announce a lot of secrets, so direct messages. I can't share the link. I have to. Let's see, where's there? I don't want direct messages. I want discussion forum. There it is. This is what I want. So this. Monica's doing that. Okay, cool. So this right here, I think I can kind of zoom in, is a special link. Isn't that cool? To get 10,000 free GenSpark credits, but it's only for members in the community. I got to get rid of that. You didn't see that. 10,000 credits for GenSpark. Cool. So, highly recommend. I have a Notion page with like my apps and definition of models and prompting. Ooh, nice. So, if you click here, this is 50% off for the whole community. You get first month I think is $47, and then after that the next month is $97. But you get access to everything because you want to join and then join for the events. Tomorrow is our first event of the week. Every Tuesday we have events every Tuesday through let's go to calendar events. I'm sure AI agents is going to be on the topic list this week, so you can see here this is our crazy calendar. And I'm mid programming course 2 because I think like at this point I need to. Oh, for sure. Actually, we have a resident software developer in our community that if you ever want to build an app and you want your app to have a feature or fix a bug or get ready to be launched for production or for members, we have a member in the community. His name is David, and he's our resident software developer. So he has 20 years experience. But yeah, and then let me show you some of the tools that we play with so that you can kind of see, like, I have a huge list of tools as well too. Oh wait, not that one. Let's do AI tools. So I've done 2 apps so far with Google AI Studio and I think Replit. Nice. I just need to really understand coding language more too. Oh, you'll love. We have a huge, like a lot of our members are like building apps, which is actually really dope. Highly recommend. That would be a great. I gotta. Oh, okay. So I gotta launch mini workshops over. I'm thinking like short. I think maybe one. I kind of like how. Because there's like the 1 day workshops, but that's like multiple hours. But I think actually what I'm going to do is the 5-day challenge actually. So yeah, so I'm going to announce if you're on my email list, I'm going to announce a 5-day challenge towards the end of the month, and we're going to go through 5 of these really dope tools. But we need to have like deep dive in like some of these courses, or some of these tools are really powerful. So these right here are just if you're on a budget and you need free. These are the best just free right here. best AI tools just for free. And then here, you can see this gives you like the basic multi-tool, like free AI tools, full multi. That's the way I love it. And I like to think of it as an ally. By the way, GLM 4.5, it's free, really powerful. Highly recommend it. Like this is a dangerous combination. Like if I gave you any problem, I'm pretty sure you can figure out how to solve it with one of these tools, pretty much. Okay, my appeal is improved. Nice. So, but that's not all. Then there's the advanced paid tools. This is where it's like, oh, wait, there's more? Yes, there's so much more. So these are our, if you have the budget, and again, not all would apply, but if you have the budget, these are some good ones right here. Grand evening, Brother Jay. Good evening, Time Traveler Wesley. Right now we're talking with Chelsea and leveling her up with all these cool things. So here you can see these are like, if you can spend a little money, then these are pretty dangerous. You don't need all of them. Here's the caveat though. You don't need all of them. If I had to give you any, just like a couple one, for sure Notion, GenSpark, ChatGPT, and then everything else is like a specialty. Like you may or may not use it depending on your use case, basically. NAN looks freaking hard. NAN's not. It does have a high learning curve for NAN for sure. But it depends on what you're automating. For example, I like looking at the problem of what you're automating. You may be able to automate it with like Go High Level, for example. You may not need a NAN. You could get by with honestly a make.com. I know people that are automating their content with just make.com. Some are using NAN. Really doesn't. So now these, by the way, everyone should be taking screenshots this whole time. Like this is gold. Take a screenshot of all of these tools. So these are specialty tools, and there's more. The list is bigger. So take a screenshot. I'm designing a book writing app today, multi-agentic. Oh, that's gonna be good. Nice. And then it keeps going. You got Make and Runway. Nice. And then I tried to put together like a list of courses in the community. Like what do we have? Like this is pretty, yeah. How many courses is this? We gotta add, you know what? I gotta put this on the website. I input job description resumes into Notebook LM for clients and make them interview prep podcasts. Ooh. Oh, GenSpark does that now too. Yeah. I don't know if, oh, Chelsea, I don't know if you know this. Since you like that feature, GenSpark, although Notebook LM does have some really cool features, but GenSpark has, yeah, that's why you watch the, that's why you're watching the best AI show in the world, so that you can stay up to date. So it's called AI Pods, like AirPods, but AI Pods. That's what it's called. And let's try it out. So nice. So let's check it out. What does this do? Generate a podcast from anything. Topics, YouTube, link, files, customize any style, professional, fun, realistic voice, solo, dual, multi-person. Ah. AirPods will improve though. I compared GenSpark and Notebook LM GenSpark. Oh, for sure. Like Notebook LM, gold standard, for sure. Do I have a... I think I could grab a book real quick. Let me see here. I think we can... I don't know what this is. I'll probably find a better one. Oh, this is a good one. Downloads. I think this one. So... Oh, this is an old book. Okay. So this is just a random PDF book about prompt engineering. Nothing fancy. Here, what's this one? Oh, that's something totally different. Ignore that. So let's use this book, for example. You guys didn't see anything. So let's take this book, and we're going to turn this book. or this prompt engineering book into a podcast. Let's see how well it does. So I'm going to pop it here and say, turn this into a sarcastic, funny duo podcast that has two characters, one super smart, the other really slow, and they bitter like siblings. One is really doesn't matter. And then what else? Yeah, I think that's it. Let's just try that. That's now in the oven. We have a very scientific prompt. This is for scientific purposes only, and we're saying turn this PDF book into a sarcastic, funny dual podcast that has. Oops. Oh, it's working. It's doing something. It's doing something. This is GenSpark for everyone. GenSpark. So GenSpark is creating a podcast from our PDF book. Hey, Sarah. What's up, Sarah? Chelsea just might join the community. Have you heard of Monica I Am? Is it better than GenSpark? I think I know which one you're talking about. Monica. Wait, Monica. I Am? Is it I Am? Oh, stay away from Monaco. Stay away from Monica at all costs. It's a scam. It's a scam. Stay away at all costs. Do not give them your money. Yeah. It's nice. It's great, but they have some shady practices. They do some bad stuff with your data. And then they're like notorious for like overcharging people as well too for like the subscription and stuff. However, this is what you want to use because I went down this journey already. Again, I should have an affiliate link. If you go to my website, if we find my website, hold on, maybe I can sign in and get affiliate. I'm gonna put all my tool list on my website. We're gonna do that soon. Cider. Cider does everything Monica does plus 10 times more cooler things. Like you don't have to use it in the browser. You could use it on your desktop computer. You get access. I think I still have it installed. Yeah, I still have it installed. So you don't even have to leave the browser. So remember, I'm like on this window. If I press a keyboard shortcut, keyboard shortcut, watch what pops out. Secret menu. Boop. Secret menu. Now you unlock a secret hidden menu where you can talk to every AI chatbot that you want, and it's only $10 per month. Yes. Very, very handy. And then you can do all very cool things. You can chat with it. You could chat with your PDFs. You could do deep research. You could do quick and summary, and you fix your grammar, improve your writing. But wait, there's more. I know. What, John? There's more? Yeah, you should be an affiliate for a lot of these programs, John. Right, I know. So here's another cool thing. See, Chelsea? Oh, Chelsea, I'm barely scratching the surface. See, this is why you want to join the community. 50% off, link in bio, join the community. That 50% off will expire as soon as this my live stream's over. So let me show you another cool thing Cider could do. Let's say you have a sentence. AI is awesome and a great skill to have like superpowers. Okay, so I purposely misspelled there. Everyone that knows me is like, shut up, John. You purposely you didn't misspell that. You you just can't spell. So here's something that Cider does, which is really great. It's a writing assistant. So you could be on any document. You could be on a Google Doc, an email, a browser, a notebook, whatever. You could write whatever you want, and if you highlight this, Oh, look, secret hidden menu unlocked. What's this one click button improve? Oh, this they should actually call this make me sound smart. So it takes what you wrote and misspelled and rewrites it and makes it sound a lot better. And then you click one button and it replaces with your perfectly grammar writing, make it longer, and you could do different things. You can look at all these. This is you can make you can improve the writing, fix the grammar, make it shorter, make it longer, answer questions, simplify the writing, read it out loud.
AI is a valuable skill.
Thank you. That's great. I'm on LinkedIn and comments a lot, so that's helpful. Oh yeah. For that too, Chelsea, since you're so amazing and I look forward to seeing you in the community, I'm gonna give you a special bonus right now too. Another little thing that I think will help you. Not AI related, but productivity rate related. You think this is helpful? Like, oh man. So, let's say here's a great one, for example. Okay, right here. Actually, let me give you a real world example. Let me go to metrical. Okay, so here's a real world example. Productivity. This is going to save you a ton of time, and when I show you this example, you can start to see how you can apply this in your life. Okay, so this is what I'm logging into. It really doesn't matter. This is metrical. It's used to publish content to multiple social medias. That's not what I'm showing you. Just know what I'm showing. This is a real business use case. I use this hack. What I'm going to show you. When I post content, I have to write hashtags, and it's so annoying, and it takes so long. I gotta go hashtag VO2, hashtag artificial intelligence. Oh my god, I misspelled it, so forget it. And then AI, and then hashtag ChatGPT. Oh my god, wouldn't it be nice? Know how long that took? It's like, oh my god, that typing should be a penalty. What if I could rather type um, 3 letters and give me all my hashtag? Okay, ready? Don't blink. Do not blink. Slash H done. Did you blink? You blinked. See? You blinked again. So let me try it again. Ready? I'm going to type slash H. And there's all my hashtags. You know how many times I type my name? JONATHANACUNA. You know how many times I type my name? Wouldn't it be nice if I just press comma F and I type my name? Comma F, comma F. How about my website? Comma W. Because I type my website 14 times a day. What's the website? Oh, 2 keywords. Just 2 keywords. So these are what's called snippets, and everything that I'm showing. Yeah, think of your email, your full name, your now it could do whole paragraphs. We're gonna copy. I'm gonna copy this entire thing, and let's say I write. Actually, I'm gonna say ChatGPT. Just write me a short. Actually, no. Actually, remember we have Cider. Because we have Cider, we don't have to leave the window. We need AI. So I'm not going to leave the window. I'm going to talk to Cider. I'm going to say, Cider, write me a short email about AI. Let's say, for example, oh, Gabrielle, I do have to send you access to the course only. I do have. I'm still work. I still work. I will have that by tonight for sure. So for everyone else too, we are launching a more affordable. I should just 5 seconds. So for everyone too, we're also launching a course, a more affordable membership to access to all the courses and the recordings and the material. You just don't get access to the weekly live events. We have 5 times weekly live events. That's in the community. So we're setting up this new tier where you'll get access to all the courses, the material. Like the course material is like pretty in depth. Like so you get so that's what Gabrielle is referring to is. I just have to have GenSpark build the website for me. I'm in the middle of like redesigning the whole website more or less. Actually, hold on. I want to show you this kind of thing so you can kind of see like what are, John, is it like 5 courses? Like, nah, it's like 27 courses and over 100 hours of content. Like, we're almost more than Netflix. No, I'm just kidding. Almost, but um, these are all the courses. So if I were to say, actually, and there's more too. So if we number these, sorry, there we go. So, and then we have the we did VO3. We're going to do, so as of today, my ADHD. Oh, if you have ADHD too, definitely join the community. ADHD entrepreneurs, like everyone, like we have a lot of neurodivergent, smart, brilliant, super savvy. Like, oh my God, you want to talk about hanging out with smart people? Like, amazing. These are all the courses that's in the community. So this is what we're giving you access to. I think it's going to be, hold on. Yeah. $25 a month gets you access to just the courses. That's for the annual plan. If you go for the monthly, it's $49. But that's going to get you access to all of our courses, plus our office hours that we have 5 days a week. Like, you'll get access to all those recordings. So, for example, last Saturday, we had a live workshop. So this is our calendar. We have tomorrow and Thursday are office hours. So members come in, we do business coaching, networking on Wednesdays, but sometimes it's in office hours. Friday show and tell. Saturdays like guest speaker, live class. It varies. And then pretty much the thing is, it's like we just meet consistently every single week. And as long as you show up to at least pick once a week at least to show up minimally, and like you'll learn so much. So what we learned last Saturday was basically all ChatGPT agents, what I'm kind of showing you. So we have, you're gonna trip on this. This is wild. This is, hold on, you'll trip on this. Just in our, so this is all our event recordings. Again, we meet 5 days a week, and we've been meeting 5 days a week consistently since February of the year. So I love this. We have 74 hours of AI content, which is like insane. Can you please run the $300 of a credit card? I DM you credit card. Oh, please don't DM me the credit card information. Please don't do that. I will DM you the link though, for sure. Yeah, for safety, Gabrielle, trust. I got you, but never, just for security. So don't worry. I'm gonna send you the link though. I just have to build the sales page. So this is the course only version. This one's going to be annual plans, $25 a month. Monthly plan is $49 a month. And so, anyways, that's in the community. I digress. So, say for example, back to our cool demos of so this is the cool thing. Okay, remember magic tricks? Oh, don't worry. You could delete the comment, I think. So don't worry. I got you. So let's say it could be LinkedIn, it could be anywhere, for example. So back to our magic trick. Let's say there's this message I send to everyone over and over and over again. But typing this is a pain in the butt. Wouldn't it be nice? Wouldn't it be nice to have a snippet that wrote this whole thing for me? So I'm going to copy this. Just right click copy, nothing fancy. Here's the tool. I need you to put AI in the chat. Just put the word AI. That way it wakes up the algorithm. So, and I'm going to drop this dope tool, because credit goes to Megan in our community who introduced this tool to us. I appreciate it. It just wakes up the algorithm. This is called TextBlaze. TextBlaze is completely free. Not completely free, but you could do a lot on their free plan. For example, hey, I have a hashtag snippet. The name is called hashtags. If I type the keyboard shortcut /H as in hat, then it's going to automatically replace that with whatever I type in here. So let's test it out. So try it out. If I type slash and then the letter H, ready? Don't blink. Boom. There's that snippet. So let's build our own snippet right now because you guys are awesome. Okay, so now I'm going to top left. And remember, this is text plays. So take a screenshot, take a screenshot, take a screenshot. Nice. So from here, I'm going to click on the plus symbol. Cool. I'm going to give it a name, and I'm going to say LinkedIn email. This is the email I send over and over in LinkedIn, just for this example. Here, what is going to be my keyboard shortcuts is going to be backslash. I'm going to do the letter U, because I think I have something else for backslash L for. Technically, I would do L for LinkedIn, but I think I'm using it for. Actually, let's see. I think I'm good. Actually, so backslash L for LinkedIn. Pretty easy. What are we going to replace it with? If we type in that secret code, we're just going to paste this whole email. So that way I don't have to type this whole email, becomes a template. And then we could try it out. Try it out. And then ready, we're going to press backslash L. So don't blink, don't blink, don't blink. Boom. It writes the whole thing. Nice. So that works. And then it's pretty much good to go. You can see all your different hashtags right here. And as long as you have, where was this when I started my business? Oh, we have so many hacks, so many tricks, so many keyboard shortcuts, especially for emojis. We have lots of secrets. And then, so now this is good. So as long as you do the text, Blaze, Chrome extension, this is your next step. You have to create an account. It's completely free. You can create quite a few on their free plan for text snippets or text Blaze, basically. Again, credit goes to Megan in our community. She's the one who introduced us to us. We have a mastermind of such a wealth of information. I'm just sharing one tip. I'm just kind of curious for the pricing. Okay, so for free, you can create a limited amount of snippets, but I don't know what's the number, but it's enough to get you, to make you dangerous, basically. You don't need the other ones. It does some pretty advanced stuff too, but everything I'm showing you in the free plan that you could do starting today. That is snippets, which is just one of many things. So again, so the real world use case is like every time I'm posting content and I hate typing hashtags, I'm like title of video, and then I'm like, oh, I got to do my hashtags. Ready? Comment H, and does all my hashtags. It's the little things that save me. By the way, for my Mac users, because people love this, here's how to get emojis on the text anywhere on Mac. So emojis, keyboard shortcuts. Tiny little things that up. Oh yeah. Control, Command, spacebar. That's the keyboard shortcut. Control, Command, spacebar. If you do that combination, by the way, probably take a screenshot, and people are going to think that you're super weird to have this as a screenshot in your phone, but it would be awesome. That will unlock there, keyboard shortcuts or emojis. It will unlock emojis anywhere you're typing, and then you could type money or lightning for automation. Lightning for automation. Zam. So, fun little things. The fun little things you learn. And then highly recommend Cider. Cider does so much. It's such a great writing assistant. It's worth the $10 a month for Cider, because Cider does something that ChatGPT and other AI tools can't. It's the fastest AI tool to quickly talk to an AI. Like if I said like right now, hey, talk to AI, everyone else has to like, open another tab and they have to go to chatgpt.com. They have to wait for it to load. They have to make sure they're logged in, and then they have to ask it, hey, summarize this or make this better. So all that took a lot of time. I'd rather have just be in Cider, or on any web page. I'll be Forbes. Let's say I'm just reading a random article. And I'm like, oh, this is interesting. I wish I could talk to AI about this. All I have to do is keyboard shortcut, and it's right here. And now I could ask it, and I could ask it to summarize what it knows what you're looking at. Like if you copy something or anything like that, I'm just going to say summarize. So now I don't even have to read this whole blog or this paywall basically, because now I got Cider who's going to, does it read this? Will this read this to me? Read this to me.
Abstract. Tahoe Therapeutics is advancing the goal of digitally simulating living cells by building massive single-cell datasets through its Mosaic platform to train virtual cell models, raised $30 million to expand data generation and pursue drug discovery, and plans to...
Thank you, AI. So that's a little AI assistant. Are you able to open like your own, like your actual ChatGPT account through it? No, that's the only downside. It's a separate ChatGPT account. There are like ChatGPT Chrome extensions that kind of put it in. Chrome extensions. Let's see. Yeah, the same with other Monica, because it's basically there's going to be some wrapper, not like an actual wrapper, but there's something that just ChatGPT for Google. Good question. Is this going to use your account? This looks promising. Use ChatGPT, but doesn't say. I'm just trying to see, like, does it use your account? Oh, chat with all. Well, but this is chat with all. Yeah, these are really the only options when you get into this space. Monica is like shady. Merlin's okay, but Merlin doesn't have as much features. Cider's the most built out, even desktop application. Really dope. So I highly recommend Cider. But yeah, they don't get you access to your chat conversation on like another browser, or like as you're navigating around. That's one downside. So nice. Wow, did we cover a lot of tools? We started with AI agents. We posted content, our AI agent for GenSpark. I'm sorry, for ChatGPT agents, posted content. I want to see, like, I challenge everyone to use ChatGPT AI agents and automate something in your business, in your life. You have 40 credits. Use those 40 credits. Do not let those credits go to waste for your AI agent mode. Like, use those credits. I did try it, but I haven't. And because this is interesting, because you could eventually build some pretty complex automations, but it's not gonna be perfect, at least for the first versions. But the more it gets better from your prompting, like how you continue to add to it, to like little nuances kind of things, it's going to get a lot better over time. So it'll do like automation sort of. I tried it just once by having it read my email. So for example, what we had AI agents do, we had one member in the community. I'll switch this around. Nice. I should have wrote it down, but we had one member in the community give AI agent access to her Gmail, and it cleaned her email. So her email inbox has a bunch of emails. Actually, Sarah, who's actually on the call, it went in, it categorized, created labels, created filters, categorized emails, important emails, spam emails, and it just went chipping away. Another one is David in the community had it he gave it his ideal customer profile to say, I like to work with these specific business owners, this specific type and characteristics. Go out on LinkedIn and go befriend me, 30 requests, and write a custom message about them in the opening message. And so it will go out, it will troll LinkedIn, it will find the right people, it will personalize a message and then send it, and it just starts work and churning through. And so it's real funny because as soon as and these were very simple prompts that we gave it. For another member in our community, Dennis, he used, actually I think he's on the call too. A lot of my members are on the call probably. Dennis used AI agents in ChatGPT to build websites, build NAN automation, build system or system IO funnels, like full websites. For me, it generated a script in ChatGPT, dropped it in fish.audio to generate the voice. It kind of hicked up when it was trying to like link the voice to HeyGen, but it was eventually going to go to HeyGen, so I was trying to have it like really automate like faceless content kind of thing. Actually, we could kind of give it that action. That would be really cool. And then what else? Yeah, it can do so stuff that has to be done on a browser requires navigating multiple web pages or websites to get, for example. I didn't think it would actually clean it. Yeah, it actually went in and actually like added filters, removed spam. It went in there and started chugging along and just like cleaning her email. Like she has thousands in there, and it was like cleaning it. So that's a real good like first test. Just have GenSpark give it access to your email and say create you don't have to be specific. You could just say like clean my email. I want to get email inbox 0, or organize things into labels, add filters, stuff like that. This AI agent will actually go and do that. The other one I really want to work with which I don't mind, like, is there a better browser use? I'm curious. Hold on. Do I need to give it the login, whatever? You do have to interrupt or take over. You do have to take over to add the password login. It will bug you. It will be like, "Hey, I got stuck on the website. It's asking me to log in. Can you log in, please?" And you interrupt and then go and log in. So like right now, it's done. So this thing posted. I just thought of something. Can I Zelle the funds to you tomorrow morning while I'm at work? No worries. I'm gonna send you the link, Gabrielle. Don't worry, and then you could just check out. So don't worry. I'll send that right after this. So this is stuff like this requires you have to think of the text, you have to think of the image, you have to log in, you have to find the button to post, and then you have to post it. Like those are like complex tasks, and that's the power. Is like the prompt is very basic. So the more advanced, the more that you could break down. Ha, Megan. Megan's in the house. Megan's the one who taught us text plays. Say thank you, Megan, for text plays. Megan's coming into the call. She's like, "What are you guys talking about? What have I missed?" So what else? So we covered a ton of stuff, and then I think ChatGPT. I don't know. I have to look at these, but I have to look at these details. Some of these aren't. That one failed. This one, I'll pay tomorrow when I arrive for work. I have to go sleep now. Yep, no worries. Good night, Gabrielle. Have a good night. You'll have the link in the morning. Megan's like, hi, Dr. J. No, nice. Good to see everyone. Speaking of which, have a good night, Gabrielle. You're gonna pass the bar. Hold on. That's weird. I have a timer because I'm cooking and my timer disappeared. Shoot. My timer disappeared. Hold on 1 second. Okay, so anyway, sorry. I'm cooking. I'm meal prepping right now. I have a slow cooker, and it's on a 6-hour timer, and I don't know why the timer is not working on my phone. So I lost the timer. So now I don't know if it's done. I think it's done. We shall see. Only one of two options is gonna happen. Sorry about that. Anyways, this we taught. I feel like there's better. I could stick. Basically, I think I could find a. I could better prompt these tools to like really find me the venue, because they use it for travel planning. I'm like, if you're using AI for travel planning, let me use it for planning an event. Just find me a venue that meets my requirements. That would be amazing. Do this now, basically. Um, yeah. Sorry, cool. Just closing out tabs right now. Okay. A lot of tabs. So we're looking for events. By the way, yeah, if you're on the email list, we're going to be announcing our first in-person events soon. Hi, Dr. J. I'm a software engineer here. Anything I can help with? Nope, all good. Appreciate it, though. Welcome to the chat. There's a lot. We haven't even gone into the vibe coding section yet. That's a whole thing. But I gotta come up with more tasks for ChatGPT AI agents to do its thing. That's what I really wanted to work on. So nice. I think I'm gonna call it there. Yep. Any other AI questions? Great to meet everyone. Chelsea, great to meet you. Let me see, Chelsea. Chelsea is a. Oh, you're a career coach. Oh, Chelsea, you must know David, the executive coach David. Then I wonder if he came from his world. That'd be very interesting. Anyways, pleasure to meet you. Look forward to seeing you in the community. So yeah, highly recommend AI agents. Lindy, not too impressed with Lindy. I think maybe I have to do better with my prompting. I do see potential for Lindy for AI agents, but not quite there. What I really want to play with, like, is there like I know I should. I said I was gonna leave, but hold on. I want like hold on. I want to ask the GenSpark a question. So I really like the feature that ChatGPT AI agent does, where it can navigate a website, even have local storage to download files, and then move across tabs across a complex goal. I want to know what other options are out there to replicate stuff like this, because I foresee like there's Lindy, Lyndi AI. There's also Relevance AI, but I don't think that Relevance has the browser automation part. I also know that there's browser use, which I believe is open source on GitHub. But I want to know what are my options to build autonomous AI agents, just like AI agent in ChatGPT, but with more capabilities or faster. What's available on the market? I'm going to go also to ChatGPT, and I'm going to have it just search the web. Just web search. And then, should I bring in another one? Glem? Yeah, let's bring in another one. We're going to bring in Glem 4.5. I know some people are like, what's a Glem, John? Glem is like a free GenSpark, pretty much, basically. Okay, cool. Let's have you. I want to give you web search. So now we're giving it to the three wise men: ChatGPT, GenSpark, and Glem 4.5. And Glem wants me to log in. Nah, can I skip for now? Okay, thank you. Nice. Oh. No. Oops. Tools, web search, go. Fine. I'm going to eliminate Glem because I don't want to look. Okay, what is out there? I'm curious. For us to make AI agents, because I think there's so much potential here. This is like truly what's. Well, okay, so operator from OpenAI browser controlling agent release of 2025. Now it's built in ChatGPT via agent mode. It can click, type, scroll just like a person. Yes. Okay, so ChatGPT operators got rebranded as AI agents fundamentally. That's good to know. Stewart, a research tool that uses LLMs for web automation, natural language, is faster and cheaper than other tools, though it only has a 40% success rate with websites. That's not good. Light web, versatile interface, planning, memory, branching workflow. Okay, maybe there's something here. Maybe there's something here. Browser use, a Python library. You use the web has complex workflows. Planning agent has a strong GitHub. Okay, this is what I foresee. I think we really got to get into. Shoot, don't. Okay, here. So, browser use, rapid prototyping, AI connection, advanced GUI, developers building browser agents, and everyday users, researchers testing web interactions. Okay, let's check out. I think Light Web Agent also seemed good. Headless automation, browser base. What's this? A web browser for your agent. But I don't want just a browser though. Like for me, I want a browser and environment. Full control, browser use, production grade, infrastructure at scale. I think browser use is it. What is this? Nope. Light web. What is this? We're going down some rabbit holes. I'll see he's using Lindy.
Today I'm going to be building a lead generation and outreach system right here in front of you guys, just using my natural words. So let's get started. This interface right here is what's prompting me to use natural language in order to explain what kind of agent I want to build. So I'm just going to paste in this request that says, build an agent that generates leads for me. It will find the name, role, company size, and email address of people based on my request of industry and location. It's also going to store all the results in a Google Sheet. So I'm going to send this off, and what's going to happen is the agent is going to look at this request, and it's going to start to figure out how to build this for us. And now that it has that information, it wants us to go to the flow editor where we can actually watch it build. Right here, we've got name, crucial, because this agent builds people from the lead search. Our AI agent should be putting that in a Google Sheet. All right, so then when we moved on to the agent step, it started, and we want to, you're going to get better workflow. And sure, if we go to the Google Sheet, we can see that we only have one draft created for the first.
Meh. Not impressed. kind of impressed, but yeah. Multi-tabs, complex, custom workflow. No, browser use. Yeah, it's like I think that's the main thing, is like we just have to play with browser use. This is gonna be the king. This is something I don't have time tonight to try it, but I'll keep it in mind. This is what I think is better. I think there's a lot more control with automating stuff using this. Dang. Can we find a YouTube video?
What's going on, guys? Now on this channel we've covered many different AI agents that can control your browser and do specific tasks. We've covered Open Interpreter, we've covered Agent E, we've covered Open Operator, we've covered Agent Q, we've covered Open Macro. The list goes on and on. And then recently, most of you guys already know that OpenAI released OpenAsk AIs. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at browser use. This is an AI agent that will be able to control your browser. Now, the beauty about browser use is it isn't $200 a month, and I'm going to show you how you can set it up in today's video. Let's dive right into it. Browser use website, first off, I just want to point out that they have founder mode and VC mode here, which is kind of funny that they're referencing that. But if we go ahead and look at the web agent accuracy, we can see browser use right here. Compared to some, it's right here, but hosted version, but it is $30 a month, so we're not going to be taking a look at this. We're going to be taking a look at their open source version, MIT license, self-hosted, full library access, all core features. Some of these features include Vision plus HTML extraction, multi-tab management, element tracking, custom actions, self-correcting, any LLM support, so you can use this with DeepSeek, OpenAI, Anthropic, the list goes on and on. Now, all links I cover in today's video will be linked down below, so you can go over to their repo right here where we're going to get started, and also check out their help section in their docs, which I'll leave down below, and we're going to go to the quick start section. So the way we're going to get started is you're going to copy this repo URL, and we're going to start by running git clone and then pasting in that repo URL, depending on where we want to clone it. Then we're going to change directory into browser use, and then we're going to open it up in VS Code or Cursor, so I opened it up in Cursor. So as you can see, I have browser use opened up in our terminal. Now I'm going to go check out that docs section, and we're going to do a few different things. So first,
you went too fast.
You're going to want to download UV if you don't already have it, so simply go here, click on this to actually download UV if you don't already have it on your system, and you're going to run UV env and then -- python. So this is going to set up a virtual environment, and then you're going to run either source right here or .venv right here on Windows. So if you're on Mac or Linux, you run this. On Windows, you run this to key. And over here, if we go to supported models, you'll also see that there are other supported models like Azure. Nice to see. Now, if you're building something out for your custom use, I would definitely, like I said, recommend checking out the docs because it shows you things like different agent settings, use case. Also, too, I would recommend opening this up in something like Cursor, AI IDE of your choice. So you could go over here to the chat right here. You could chat like so, and you could ask it specific questions or build Composer and build out specific agents for you. Really good thing, too, is they also have their docs right here. So you could leverage all this information right here, such as local setup, observability, customize right here, so agent settings, browser settings, these are all markdown files, so you could easily plug this in, reference this right here in Cursor right here.
Very interesting. Just kind of curious.
this video, you're going to know about a beginner-friendly different times. In fact, it's probably one of the corporate business intelligence dashboard. Again, this is using, you could say this, create a Twitter-connected AI. It is going to.
What's going on, guys? Now on this channel, we've covered many.
Yeah. All right. Getting distracted. Call it a night. Good stuff. AI agents taking over the world. We'll play with the different tools. I want to get browser use. Yeah, I get it installed on my computer. So I gotta figure that out. But yeah. Hope you guys learned something new. I'll see you guys in the next live stream. Have a wonderful, blessed night. And I'll see you guys probably tomorrow. Every day. Learn AI. Bye.